choosing. We're invincible.
Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. I have my Orglamix box today. I'm gonna be doing it a little bit different this time. I'm not just gonna unbox it and just show you the products. I think I wanna do it BoxyCharm style, how I did it in that video, where I try on the products as well, hence why I have no eye makeup on. So before we get started, Orglamix is a monthly subscription box. It is $29 a month. Everything is cruelty-free and handmade. It's a smaller brand, so if you like supporting smaller brands, this is the box for you. I like this subscription because you never really know what you're gonna get. I've said it before, but one time I got socks, another time I got a necklace. I think I got chocolates in mine too. That was sweet, literally. No, that's not funny. I will have some more information and a link down below if you want to sign up. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that. Orglamix does send this box my way, but all of my opinions are my own. I'm not required to say anything specific because I wouldn't do that. I have already peeked in the box. I know what's inside, so I knew what not to do on my face, so I could do it with you guys with the stuff in the box. I feel like actually using the products will be just more fun, you know? So the theme for March was Bloom. Think makeup trends made up of washes of rainbow colors, skin so glowy you'd swear it was covered in glitter, and all around total gorgeousness. So without further ado, here are all of the makeup looks we'll be copying come spring 2018, from fresh mint green lids to charcoal flicks for moody eye makeup. The first thing I got is this Lavender Baie Sugar Body Scrub. I don't even know if that's how you say that word. This is worth $16. I am obviously not going to use a sugar scrub on camera. I'm not taking you in the shower with me, sorry. But I will say that in my first Orglamix box I ever received, I think it was October's, I got a sugar scrub and I used the heck out of it. I literally just finished it yesterday. I will update you in the description box if I like this or not, but I have no doubts that I won't. It smells really good. Love it. Smells super calming. This is gonna be a good nighttime one. The next thing I got is this Noir Soul Natural Cream Eyeshadow. I don't know if it can translate well on camera, but it kind of looks like this black with a green undertone. We're gonna do a little swatch. I'm not a huge cream eyeshadow person. There's not much to that, so what I think I'm gonna do is use this with the next product that I got, which is the Mint Julep Natural Mineral Eyeshadow. I've talked about this. I think I get one of these every time. I love their mineral eyeshadows. I think they're beautiful formula. This is just a loose minty shadow, so I think I'm gonna lay this all over my lid as like a sticky base and then apply this on top and see what happens. This cream shadow is worth $15 and this mint loose shadow is worth $12.50. The next thing I got is this bent liner brush. This is worth $9 and I'm sure their intention was to do eyeliner with this, but I just don't see that working well and I really want to use these products to their full potential. So what I'm gonna do is use just one of my Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks as eyeliner. I have a few laid out in front of me depending on what I go with, and I will do a wing with that. And the last thing I got is this Orange Blossom Aha Floral Water Toner. This is worth $15 and the card says that it is good for dryness, oiliness, dullness, and uneven texture, and this is a good makeup setting spray or makeup refresher. So I don't have any setting spray on right now. I'll spray this at the very end. So I have my eyes primed with some concealer and I'm not going to set them with powder for two reasons. One, because I've just been preferring not setting with powder, and two, because I'm about to go in with that cream eyeshadow. And you don't want to put creams on top of powders. So I'm just picking some of that up, placing this all along my lid. Yeah, I don't think this would have worked very well as an eyeliner, and I don't know if that's what they were going for. I just want to assume that since the eyeliner brush and this were in the same box. But I think this really will work really well as a nice sticky base. Going in with this mint shade. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I love how reflective they are. I think it looks really cool over this base. And I'm just blending this up into my crease as well. I'm not really using transition shades. I kind of just want this to be smeared all over my lids. I know that's not the most practical look in the world, but I think it'll be cute. As you can see, I get no fallout from this. I don't have my brush wet or anything. I just have that sticky base. I'm just taking this dual-ended Anastasia brush and just blending out these edges. Deciding between Dirty Money and Breakfast at Tiffany's for the liner. I think I'm gonna go with Dirty Money. Just taking that bent liner brush, I'm just gonna put some of the product on the brush and then go to town. That was honestly probably the easiest eyeliner application with a brush I've ever done. This was perfect. So my camera was about to die, so I needed to charge that while I did my other wing, which went flawless. Then I worked on my lower lash line. All I did, in case you're wondering, I'll have it all listed below regardless, but I took this yellow shade from the Juvas Place, the Zulu palette, smudged that all under my lower lash line, applied my lashes. These are the Boudoir Light from House of Lashes, and then I decided to throw some glitter all over my lower lash line. This is actually from Orglamix as well. I love their festival glitters. This is in Gypsy Soul. I'm not gonna tip it any more than this, but it just has lots of different shapes and different size sparkles, and I just love it. So I just poured that all over my lower lash line, and then in my inner corners I put Colourpop's Flexitarian highlighter. But again, I will have all the details to everything that's on my face listed down below if you are curious. Moving on to the last thing, we have that Orglamix Orange Blossom Aha Floral Water Toner. I hope this doesn't mess my makeup up. I've used a setting spray from them before and it was fine, so I'm assuming this will be fine as well. My skin looks good. I mean, there's no spots anywhere. Didn't break it up or anything. We're good. So this is the full completed look. I hope you like it. I really like this look. I'm happy with it. I am spring. Let's talk about everything that we got in the box. Body scrub, will update you. I don't know yet. Smells great. Cream shadow. I did like it as a base, especially for the loose shadows, so I can see myself dipping into this just as a base, but not really for much else. The green loose shadow I love. It is so pretty. It is such a beautiful, reflective, minty green, and I'm obsessed. The bent liner brush, I absolutely adore this. This was such an easy way to do my eyeliner. I was very impressed with that. And this, I mean, all I have is a first impressions, but it didn't break my makeup up. My face looks good. My skin looks nice. It smelled really good. It smelled really fresh and clean. I don't know if it's really gonna make my makeup last any longer. I can update that as well if I felt like it made a difference or not. But even if it doesn't, I did like the refreshing smell, and I feel like maybe keeping this in your purse and just kind of refreshing your makeup throughout the day would feel really good, especially in these warm spring months ahead of us. I was pretty impressed with the box this month. The total for this month's box was $67.50. You only pay $29 a month, so you get more than double your money's worth. This was a really fun video. I'm glad I kind of jumped in and played with all the products with you. If you like me doing it more this way rather than just unboxing it, just give me a thumbs up. Let me know you like it. Let me know down below which of these were your favorites, and if you've subscribed to this box, let me know if you liked what you got this month. Please hop over to my Instagram, it's BeautyBean, follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post lately every 2 days. We'll see how long I keep up with that, but it's probably gonna be every 2 to 3 days, you know? Let me know what videos you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Okay, bye! What am I trying to say? What am I trying to say? Whoa, that's not the words. Try again. I can't speak. What am I even trying to do? Without further...